Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to configure compensatory off in Zoho People. If you're an admin, log into your admin account. Now go to the top right, click on the gear icon or settings. Now in here, just go ahead over to leave tracker. Okay, so first up, as you can see here under configuration, methods, make sure that compensatory off is enabled. Also, when you go ahead over to compensatory off, okay, all you do is just modify these settings right here depending on what you need. Okay, as you can see here, we have the mode of request. It could be manually by raising a request or automatically through a scheduler. All right, let's scroll down. You have the restrictions right here. Compensatory off can be raised for full day, half day, quarter, hourly. Then don't forget to hit on save right here, or make reason mandatory as well. So whenever someone applies for a compensatory off, they are required to make a reason or create a reason in the reason box. All right, hit on save. Now scroll down and you have the entitlement. The leave credited when employee works on weekend or holiday. Okay, weekend 1, holiday 1, which is by default. Expiry right here, you can go ahead and define when the compensatory off leave balance expire. It could be by calendar year end or after, maybe 3 calendar days, or 7 calendar days, or 7 business days, or 7 months. Okay, hit on save right here. And once done, go to your leave policy and just make sure that compensatory off is enabled. Okay, and once that's done, all of your employees can just go ahead and go to leave tracker. And then what they'll do is just go ahead over to apply leave. You have the leave type right here, and compensatory off is available. And you have that option here as well, compensatory request. Okay, just add in a request. There you go. That is how you configure the compensatory off in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.